Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are tackling an important topic that affects many of us. 9 things that feed anxiety. Anxiety can be overwhelming and impact our well-being, but understanding its triggers can help us find calm and balance in our lives. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Let's get started. Segment 1. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is a major contributor to anxiety. When we constantly criticize ourselves or doubt our abilities, we feed into anxiety's grasp. Let's work on self-compassion and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Segment 2. Excessive worrying. Worrying excessively about the future or things beyond our control can intensify anxiety. Learning to live in the present moment and practicing mindfulness can help us break free from the cycle of worry. Segment 3. Social media overuse. In the digital age, excessive social media consumption can fuel anxiety. Comparing ourselves to others' seemingly perfect lives can create feelings of inadequacy. Let's find a healthy balance and prioritize real-life connections. Segment 4. Lack of sleep. A lack of quality sleep can make anxiety worse. It's essential to establish a bedtime routine, create a peaceful sleep environment, and prioritize restful sleep for overall well-being. Segment 5. Caffeine and stimulants. Consuming excessive caffeine and stimulants can trigger or exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Moderating our intake and staying hydrated with water can help us feel more grounded and focused. Segment 6. Avoidance and procrastination. Avoiding situations that trigger anxiety or procrastinating important tasks can escalate our worries. Let's face our fears gradually and practice time management to reduce anxiety-inducing situations. Segment 7. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can put immense pressure on us, leading to anxiety. Embracing the idea that we're only human and that imperfections are normal can help us ease this burden. Segment 8. Overcommitment. Juggling too many responsibilities can leave us feeling overwhelmed and anxious. It's okay to say no and prioritize self-care to maintain a healthy balance in our lives. Segment 9. Isolating yourself. Isolating ourselves from friends and loved ones can worsen anxiety. Engaging in social activities and seeking support from our loved ones can provide comfort and understanding. Conclusion. There you have it. 9 things that feed anxiety and practical tips to find calm and balance in our lives. Remember, it's okay to struggle with anxiety, and seeking professional help is always a valid option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, be kind to yourself, and let's work together to overcome anxiety. Goodbye.